I hope for my YouTube tutorials, you get to know my portrait style and understand why I'm a big fan of off-camera flash. One of the uses of an off-camera flash is to balance the ambient and the subject exposures, and it's really a lifesaver for portrait photographers. Now, what if my flash is broken and I had to use pure natural light? How do we find a location in which the subject is perfectly lit by natural light and you don't have to use a flash to throw extra light? How do we make natural light work for us without the need of a flash for fixing difficult light issues? How to find soft light on a sunny day? And what's the difference in terms of light condition between an open shade and a complete shade? A lot of photographers tend to use soft natural light, but I can tell you, if they forget about hard light, they're leaving money on the table. How to master using hard light to add mood and character to your portraits. Pure natural light portrait is not a beginner's level portrait style. Rather, it takes your lighting knowledge, your experience in the studio to make an outstanding image. In my workshops, I'd inspire students to think, I give location goals, I quiz on their light knowledge, and I give constructive feedback to their work. I hope to see you in one of my natural light portrait workshops. Sign up at photosprouts.com. If you cannot attend this in-person class, my new online class, From Natural Light to Off-Camera Flash, will be helpful for you to formulate strategies in different light situations.